ngasi January gi tang 13 da ayuk phongbasi phongda Manipur News Reader dagi video amta update toge KCP MC Progressive Standing Committee na warep laokhre Kanglaipak Communist Party Council Progressive ki Standing Committee gi lusingba singna mifam ama phamdana warep khara laokhre haina party asigi Information and Publicity Secretary Akanba maiteina thadorok pasarol na haire Sairol aduna makhatana haikibada Standing Committee gi mifam aduda Chairman Singkai Khuman Senior Leader Vice Chairman Comrade KK Luwang General Secretary Comrade Kapa Mangang Chief of Army Staff Kaphaiba Salam Finance Secretary Benan Angom Amadi Operation Mangal OM gi Commander Telhaiba Moirang Themna Singba Srup Yakhi Haire Lup na party asina miyam gi yaifanaba ningtam lalhau mai pakna sangsinba ngamnaba kidamak laukriba warep singdi lup ki mamal yamlaba khusu khulai amadi sel thum paisinduna laikiba comrade singbu leibak miyam khangna laukthokuna sanaba sairak piba ningtham mifamna saruk yakhidaba comrade singna Facebook ID ON kanglai pak natraga mobile number 088762314333 WhatsApp asida numit 15 fawgi manungda Lupta Pau Podokna Bahide Ruda Academy School Tawal Yekna Singa Sanga Kraba Mio Singa Lakturaga Sia Laktokiba Amadi Standard Robert English School Kanchipura Tamliba Atingba Sing Asibu Asishu Committee Special Sielda Taudang Sinaba Private School Amasung Private Hospital da Mijeng Sangduna Tabak Pakatkani Habo Warep Sing Loki Luptagi Potaning but Lairagasu Maram Saragadi Potaba Yagani Hanasu Paus and Makatana Fundoraki. Thank you.